Well, a couple more packages came in the mail today. There was a YouTube user that left me a comment saying you can't use a phosphorus metal screwdriver to adjust your radio. Throws it off, this, and this, telling me I did everything all wrong. So this is for you, dude. What does that say? Trimmer tool, 10-piece. Silicon. Made in Taiwan. So there. Hopefully there's one in there that I need. This is for TVs and radios. Here's something else I bought for my scanner. I can't remember if they call these T-type connectors or U-type connectors, but they go on the back of your radio, and I got these ones here so you can hook Mini 8 to it. So I'm gonna order some Mini 8 and a Procom scanner antenna, and we're gonna put that up for my scanner. So you guys stay tuned for that. And that's for dude. So now he can look like a fool. And that's it for now. Your friend on this end, the old Craftsman, and I'll get back with you.